All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're doing a long-term review of the Mac Precision Torque wrench set. If you watch my channel for a while, you know I did a 3-part series on wrench testing. Don't go watch it, it sucks. But anyway, I did purchase on a deal a complete set of Mac Precision Torques wrenches. Now, I have snap-on wrenches, but it was a deal and it got me a couple of the bigger size wrenches because I actually needed some long, 22, 24 millimeter wrenches, when you got to use 2. So I went ahead and popped for it. I'm gonna use the big one as an example because I actually don't have the wrenches here in my toolbox. If you haven't watched the channel for a while, you know we have added an alignment system to our business, but it is in a separate building. Behind the shop, walking distance, no big deal, but, well, we need tools to do alignments. And after we got it up and running, I went ahead and put my complete set, except the big ones, the really big ones, the 30, 32s and all that, down there so everyone would have a good set of wrenches. I also took my snap-on metric set of 3/8 and my backup Matco ratchet and put it down there as well, so we'd have wrenches to do alignments. So they've been getting put to the paces. Literally everyone in the shop has been using them on some of the worst things to do. Jam nuts and tie rod ends and all that kind of good stuff, and they've been great. The case makes it really handy. You can just grab the whole thing, take it over to the car. Oh, I put new tie rod, inner tie rod ends on it. One's a 13, one's a 14. We've all been there. But they've been phenomenal. Nobody's had any complaints about them. Everybody's been using them. Literally everyone in the shop has been using them. So almost every alignment, except a couple of the early ones, they've been used on. We do probably a couple alignments a day at this point. So they've been getting put to the test, and they've definitely been doing good. So definitely, if you can get the deal from Mac when they do the whole set up to 32, definitely well worth the money. They are made by Faycom, so you can buy them on Amazon as well. I will put a pinned comment with a link to them on Amazon for the Faycom set. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but whatever. And if you want to support the channel, it is an affiliate link. If you don't want to click on the link, Google Faycom wrench. As always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.